Hello everyone, so welcome to this quick demo of the customer app built fully uh, using Bolt. So this is the dashboard. So basically it's a text platform and workflow automation. Okay, so here we can see the dashboard and the workflows and and say for example I have here a speed to lead workflow. For example, you see here, there you go. So we can adjust this and we can, for example, here, and we can create another one, for example, and add trigger. So based on the trigger, okay, for example here, and then send messages. This is a demo. Okay, and what's the tag? Okay, the tag there is, let's see, yeah, I think that's binge. So let's save this one, demo tag. Okay, and see here we can have here, and then let's go, for example, let's go to our live chat and let's change this one and then add that trigger, add that tag. So I think this one here, right? And basically it will trigger a database, and since this is connected, we have a workflow automation backend that we're using, like Bolt.MQ, and instead we're using a different one, is a trigger.tib. Okay, so let me see what's happening on that. Demo tag, logs, and actually it's not this one, so let's create another one. I think it's, let's create a new tag instead. So demo and then tag. Okay, and then create this one instead. Okay, then configure trigger, and then let's add a message. This is triggered by tag. Okay, then save demo tag, and in this one I'm going to create a tag, the exact tag. There you go. So I think I forgot to save this one, and that should fire the SMS connecting to Twilio, and then Twilio sending to the valid, this is a valid SMS, US SMS, a phone number. Okay, in few seconds it should go here, and we can resource overload, responded status for messages detected. I think it's there now. It should come up, and see what's happening here. It's not right. Okay, so yeah, let's subscribe this to that workflow instead. Here, a demo tag. Okay, and this should refresh. There you go, and that should be running step. There you go, and if we go here we should have, yeah, there you go. And try it. Let me see, we can connect or create an inbound webhook, and then map a phone number, and we have also a web chat, which is we can create a web chat. And once, for example, we have here, so we're going to preview this. and this is what it looks like. Okay, and this is connected via OpenAI. And so if you go here, I think you haven't seen my my other screen. Okay, let's go here instead. Web chat, and then configure, and then preview, and then okay, let's go here instead. Yeah, test gmail.com, start chat. Okay, there you go. What's the cost? Okay, the cost of the project, and it should go here to your inbox. So this view here. Okay, this is the one. Okay, so we have two different main products, the live chat, the SMS, and the web chat. Basically you can configure this and then embed this to any of the sites. Okay, and the workflow automation, this one here too. Basically we can create, what's working now is contact, lead status and tag base, and the other one is not working at the moment, so only tag is added and then lead status is changed. So for example, let's go here. Lead status is not sold. Okay, not sold, and then let's go lead status and any equal contains, let's go specific value. Okay, and let me see, create. So there's a double toast notification there. Say not sold, lead status. This is a text message, and we can add a tag, to see that tag is created. Okay, and if you arrange that, so this should be what it looks like. No, actually not this one. This should be add, there you go, add tag, and use the one we have created, which is demo sold something, not sold. There you go, save that. Okay, so this is the trigger based on the lead status change, and then the text will send the text, and then the tag will be added to the contact. So let's say for example, so not sold. Okay, and now I'm going to, it's either you can go here in contact, you can change this one, or you can subscribe to a workflow, or you can just go here in live chat. So let's say for example here it's going to be in lead status, let's say for example, and then save that, that's sold, and wait for a few seconds. Not sold, not sold, and see what's happening on the log. It's not here, or it's either, let's go and subscribe that to not sold, just subscribe them. I think something with the issue with the, there you go, and then you should have that tag added to you as well, demo. Actually the tag is not added, so you can troubleshoot that not sold and see what's happening. Tag added to, or we can go here, success, send, add, tag added. Okay, let me see again if that tag is added. Then was to, okay, the tag wasn't added there, so just some issue. But this is the workflow automation, and again comes with APIs integration as well. Okay, and the integration is OpenAI and Twilio, webhook, and you can have a Zapier as well, so you can create API keys. And the billing, this is not working at the moment. Webhook here, it's 100% working. The SMS, it's working as well. Okay, yeah, thank you.